In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign in Starlink account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Now click on the search bar and type in starlink.com. Press enter, or instead of that, you can also open the Starlink application if you want. You can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Starlink. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, click on the three lines that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. At second, you'll be able to find this option for sign in. Click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the sign in interface of Starlink. You can see over here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. All you have to do is enter your credentials. First of all, enter the email over here. Click on the field of email. Now enter the correct email address. After you enter the email, click on this option next that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. What you have to do is simply enter your password correctly. After that, click on the sign in option that you'll be able to see on your screen. After you do that, you'll be signed in to your account. So that is how you sign in Starlink account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.